Hello, my beautiful people. I got magical mail. I got a giveaway from Sassy Cruise in Life. Sassy and Cruising in Life. I don't know the whole title. Sassy. I'm going to link her below, so follow her channel and join it. And I had a choice between three boxes, and she intuitively picked the box that she thought I would like the best, which is in fact the box I like the best, which is My Healthy Life, which I subscribe to because I watched her unboxing. And she worked with them to create a custom box as the giveaway. So I'm so excited. So it's My Healthy Life, and I will link them below as well. And I'm so excited because when I opened the box, there were two super cool stickers. And these are both Celtic, and Sassy knows that I'm a Celtic girl. And then, like, right on top was this rule breaker, plant-based, deliciously soft-baked, deep chocolate brownie that I'm going to eat in like 47 seconds. So I'm putting it right there so I can eat it. All right, so what is in here? Well, the first, oh, look at this chunky. It's rose quartz. If you know, I have rose quartz here. I have rose quartz. This rose quartz was from the witch casket, and this rose quartz is from my sister Alicia. So now I have, it's like big, medium, and little, and it's nice and cold, which, as we know, means it's a legit stone. So what else is in here? We have Soothe the Soul, cedarwood, cassia, wintergreen, clary sage, and Siberian fir. Apply to the inside of elbow creases, chest, and the midline of the belly. Let's smell this, shall we? I can't get it open. Oh, wow. I love it. That's a different smell. Soothe the Soul. I love that. Ooh, look at this cool sparkly thing. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so cool. Check out this thing. I thought it was just this thing down here, but it's actually the Tree of Life and the chakra beads. Oh, that is going in my window right back here. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Holy smokes. That is gorgeous. Oh, it's like a light catcher. Oh wow, that's so cool. What else is in here? Holy Moses. That's enough to be in there. And there's a little pink packet with a very cool little thank you sticker. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a rose quartz stone of the heart bracelet. And I'm so excited because you can see I took off my beaded bracelets because they were pulling on me. So I'm going to try that instead. And then finally, because there's so many other, like this box is filled with coolness. A journal. Our direction is more important. Wait, what does it say? It says I have a thing. Your direction is more important than your speed. And Sassy, I think, knows that I run a hiking group for people over 40 who are new to backpacking and outdoor adventure stuff like kayaking and long-distance hiking. And I always call ourselves the Turtle Hiking Group. And I lead the turtle hikes. I have other hike leaders now that do other things, but faster stuff. But I lead all the hikes for the new hikers because I want them to feel successful. And I always call us the turtle racing team. So I love that little snail because that is how fast we go. And I go in the back. If I want to hike faster, I go by myself or with other people that hike a little bit faster. But that group is all about being proud of what you can do. So I am so thankful, Stacy, and my healthy life. Am I getting that name right? My Healthy Life box. Yeah, my healthy life box. Thank you so much. This is such a great box. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.